Wait ko. King's Dominion, Dugo, Anak Papato, Subterranean, in the middle, Domek. On the federal side, then comes True Value, running by the Real Devil Rising, Michaela's Music, Ocean Deep, is the early trailer. The lead is taken over now by the outstanding favorite, and this one is True Value. And on the outside is Subterranean, Domek. Down on the inside, Dugo, Anak Papato is racing forward by Lincoln Half. Down on the inside is Kings. Dominion, Ocean Deep, Michaela's Music, and Devil Rising is now running at the tail of the field. Last 500, True Value, this time by some 3 lengths. Subterranean is running in second. King's Dominion down on the inside. Domek on the federal side is Dugo. Anak Papato as they race the final corner. True Value, the outstanding favorite, this time by some 5 lengths. King's Dominion, Domek down on the inside. Subterranean, Dugo, Anak Papato, Ocean Deep, and nearing the finish line, Edstell, entry number 2, True Value. Second, Close, Dugo, Anak Papato, Michaela's Music, Subterranean, Devil Rising, Ocean Deep, King's Dominion.